So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and create an iCloud email account. Now, doing this is very basic, and you can do this on really any device. It doesn't have to be even any Apple product. What you want to do is you want to start off by going into iCloud.com. So make your way over to iCloud.com, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the sign in button that's right here. So tap on sign in, and you can either sign in with password if you already have an account, or you can click on the X button. It should take you into this page. What you're going to want to do is you want to click on this Create Apple Account option that comes up right here. So tap on Create Apple Account, and then it's going to allow you to start creating your iCloud account or your Apple account. So all you're going to want to do here is type in your first name, you want to go and type in your last name, you want to type in your country that you live in, and all these other information that they need. And at a certain point, after they're done, you're going to be able to go at the bottom and you're going to be able to click continue. So you're going to be able to come through here, you're going to be able to start following through and start reading out all these things and click on continue at the bottom. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. So that is that. Once you start going through and scrolling through around, you'll be able to start seeing everything there. And after a certain point, like I said, that's pretty much all you're really going to have to do. But that's essentially it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.